Alright, it says penalty 136. What does that mean?
That's how much you owe?
136 what?
$136.
Alright, so I'm curious as to, according to the Constitution and the Coinage Act of 1792, a dollar is 371 grains and 417 parts grains of silver. And that actually doesn't exist in circulation anymore. So how am I supposed to come up with 136 ounces of silver that doesn't exist?
How do you buy your groceries?
What's that?
You're paying with the same currency that you buy your groceries with.
I grow my groceries.
That you pay for your utilities with, or your mortgage, or your car payment.
I don't have any of those things.
$36.
Alright, so not actual dollars then, according to the law. But you're talking about the counterfeit dollars that are put out now?
But is there something that I can help you with?
Well, I'm wondering about the legality of this money that you want.
You're going to need to consult with an attorney then.
Well, you're the one who's asking for the money here.
No,
And it
I'm
says
not.
dollars, but it's actually not, but dollars don't actually exist in circulation anymore, so I'm really confused about it, that's all. So what you guys are wanting is, are you wanting Federal Reserve notes then? But you said dollars? Ma'am?
We want U.S. currency that's in circulation today.
Okay, so not legal tender.
It is legal tender.
Well, not according to the Coinage Act of 1792. Do you know what law it's legal tender by?
Is there something else that I can help you with, David?
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to pay this bill, but there's no dollar.
Would be in your wallet.
There's no dollars in circulation anymore. So you guys are wanting Federal Reserve notes. That's what you meant by that?
Call it whatever you want.
Well, if you call it dollars, that has a legal meaning. This is a courthouse that follows the law, correct?
David, can I transfer you to my supervisor?
Sure.
Steve Mafia is not available. Record your message after the tone. When you've finished, you can hang up or press 1 for more options. Mr. Gordon, this is Julie. How can I help you?
Hey, Julie. I'm calling about payment that I have here. I called just a minute ago, and I got disconnected. I got transferred, but it didn't go through.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Do you know who you were getting transferred to?
No, I don't. But basically, well, this call is being recorded for quality insurance purposes. But
Okay.
basically, my question is: it says I owe 136, and the last lady, I was asking what that meant. The last lady said that meant dollars, and my question was, since this is a courthouse, I figure you guys followed the law, and the Coinage Act of 1792 states that a dollar is 371 grains and 4/16 parts of grains of pure silver, and none of those actually exist in circulation. So I was really curious as to what exactly you guys were wanting. I was wondering if you wanted the illegal money, or if you guys are actually asking for counterfeit money, since this doesn't actually exist in circulation.
If you want to argue that...
Oh, no, I'm not arguing. I'm asking a question. No, I have no arguments here.
It's going to be the dollar.
The dollar. So it's the grains of silver you guys want.
No, the paper money.
Okay, so not a dollar. You want the counterfeit one. That's what I was asking. If it was the counterfeit... So Federal Reserve notes is actually what you guys want. Not dollars. Because according to the law, the dollar is made out of silver. All right, so that was my one question. And so you guys want counterfeit money for that. My second question is, according to the 7th Amendment, it says that if there's any fine over $20, that you have the right to a